Assalamu alaikum once again, nursery class. I hope that you have finished your maths work, nursery. Now it's time for our activity time, or you can say social study book. Again, I want to tell you that the social study does not have any exam in nursery. Okay, we are doing just to gain knowledge, or just to make healthy activities. Okay, so today you have to open page number 4. Okay, I'm focusing on the page number. Kindly open page number 4. So, nursery class, today our topic is my toys. So, nursery class, you have toys in your home? Me too. I have told you now that I have 3 kids. They love to play with toys. They have, my boys have mostly cars. They like to play with cars. Okay, you tell me which is your favorite toy. But before that, write the date on the page. 1515 dash 3 dash 2121, and write down here classwork. Sorry, today date is 1919. What happened with your teacher, nursery? So I will erase and make it clear for you. Okay, so nursery class, most of you have done this page in the class, but we are doing again on in the online classes, just to make a healthy activities. You have colored in these toys, but no worries. Okay, nursery, we can do in a different way. So first tell me, what is this, nursery? Yes, this is an aeroplane. What is this? This is an aeroplane. And what is this, nursery class? This is a teddy bear. This is a teddy bear. And what is this, nursery class? This is a wheel horse. Nursery class, you ride on this horse? I love it. Nursery class, now they are saying, have you played with these toys? I think this is again Ishal, Abdullah, and Ibrahim. And they have their own toys. I have told you that you have to tell me that which is your favorite toy. But before that, you have to write, have you played with these? You have to write here, yes. Okay, nursery? You know the spelling of yes now? Y-E-S, yes. Before doing the activity in this page, we will move to the next page. Okay, after completing this page, we will come back to the page number 4. Oh wow, this is the page about growth. They are discussing about that you eat hen now. You eat hen in the breakfast, and you know who give the hen? Who give the egg? Yes, the hen lays eggs. But when the hen lays eggs, nursery, it grow into a chick. Yes, Fiza Fizan, send me the video of chick. Okay, Fiza Fizan, you again share. You can share it in the group. Okay, to show us the chick. The hen grow into a chick, and when the chick grow up, it becomes a hen. Oh my god, we cut the hen and we eat it in the lunch breakfast. We make lots of good food with the hen. Okay, nursery class, so you have to remember that the hen baby is called chick. Okay, the hen baby is called chick. Now, this is a baby. Oh my god. This is a toddler baby. He move on his arms and his feet. When the baby grow up, as you girls grow up, now you are a girls. You are a girls now, like Haram, like Hania, like Dua, like Faria. I'm remembering all the girls' nursery, like Aman, like all the girls, beautiful girls of my class. Now Khushbak, Seerat, now they are girls. And when the girls grow up, they become a woman. Woman like your teacher Faiza, your teacher Annie, or your mama. Okay, nursery. So there is a baby. Then the baby grow up into a girl, and then girl grow into a woman. Okay, this is the stages of growth. Every living thing grow. Like the baby of cat is called kitten. Okay, the baby of cat is called kitten. You have to send me the picture of cat and kitten. And the loin baby is called cub. You remember? We discussed in the class that the loin baby is called cub. And the cat baby is called kitten. And the hen baby is called chick. Okay, nursery class? Remember 3 babies and 3 pets. Okay, nursery? Now is a boy. Boy like Rakib, like Shahan, Farham, Maz, Abyan, like Zian. I'm remembering all the boys. Abdullah, like Rafe. See, I remember everyone. This is boy like you, and this is the mama. Maybe the mama, maybe teacher Faiza or teacher Annie. Okay, nursery class. This is the boy with mama, and this is the girl with her mama. Okay. Now what they are asking? They are asking, have you grown? Yes, obviously we grown. What they are talking about nursery? We grown up now. That's why teacher Faiza is grown too much. Say yes. And nursery. Now they're saying who is the tallest in your class. Now you have to tell me that who you feel is the tallest boy. If you are boy, tell me the who is the tallest boy of your class. Write the name over here. And if you are a girl, you consider that who is the tallest girl of your class. You have to write the name over here, girl. Okay, nursery class? And do send me the height of your HEIGHT height. Okay, you have to send me your height. Like my height is 5.5. Okay, you have to measure your height and you have to write over here. Like the girl is measuring the height, you have to calculate. You have to measure your height. Okay. Now come to the back page, which is the page number 4. Now is the activity. What I think to make this page beautiful, I thought that I put a glue over here like this. Okay, I will put the glue in all the part of an aeroplane. Okay, nursery. See. Now what I have done, I take the craft papers and I cut the craft papers in a very small sizes. Okay, you can use of your colors, and if you don't have the craft papers, you use any colored paper of your rough copies, cut it into small sizes. Okay, you can use everything. Don't make difficulty for yourself. Okay, and then put the craft papers on the aeroplane. Okay, the aeroplane only fix, the craft paper only fix on those area in which you put the glue, and it will look beautiful. Okay, nursery. Okay, then you can tap your finger. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, now the rest of them you can take it out. Okay, and you can do the same thing with your teddy bear. Okay, tap, 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 tap. And nursery class, I'm angry with you that you did not send me the proper activity video of your last SST lecture. No. Okay, nursery, see, I will show you the last picture. Okay, now you can do the same thing with the horse. If you have color now, it will look more beautiful. Okay, you can use your color. I am not putting this in the face. Okay, if you have much colors, you can use. I have two colors, that is why I'm using two colors together. I did not put the tail. You can put it in the tail also, and rest them for the 2 minutes. Okay, nursery class, like this. Okay, let them fix, and when they get fixed with the page, the nursery class, and when you put the page up, the waist will be come down and your picture get clear with you. Okay, nursery class, is the activity we did on the SST book. Okay, I hope that you like the activity, and do the SST work, and do take lots of good care, nursery class. Please don't drink cold water. Try to use warm things, nursery class. Okay, take care of yourself too much. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.